Good morning, or good afternoon, I suppose. How's everybody doing? I'm just packing up a couple orders. Here we've got a Texas quarter cowboy hat keychain. Put it in a nice little coin ring maker ring box here. Give them a business card and a sticker, and we'll print out that label. So in this live, I'm just packing up some orders. We've got this all nice and boxed up here. This particular customer got a Texas cowboy hat keychain. It's pretty cute. If you would like to go check out the store, the link is going to be down here. And you can use the coupon code WELCOME to save 10%. I make a bunch of cool stuff out of coins, rings, keychains, cowboy hats, lots of cool stuff. So as soon as I finish packaging these orders up, if I do get an order that comes in on this live, we'll make it here live in front of you. So if that sounds like something you would like to do, go check out the store. And if anybody has any questions, feel free to ask. It's always nice to ask if y'all would follow me. We've got about 400 people in here. If you could go tap that follow button real quick, that'd be pretty sweet. We're also sitting at about 4 likes on this live. I know it's not the most exciting live, but if you wouldn't mind tapping the screen a couple times, I sure would appreciate it. And you guys can use the coupon code WELCOME right here. It's going to save you 10% off my store, which you can check out through the gold chain down by the chat. You can pick through some of my products, and if something piques your fancy and you'd like to see it made on this live, go ahead and place an order and let me know. I'm very open about what I do, so if anybody has any questions, feel free to ask. I just added these to my store literally minutes ago. These are, I believe they're called large cents, but they're from Canada, and they're all over 100 years old, and they've just got this super beautiful design on them. They are copper, but they're also very pretty. So if you don't mind copper and you're looking for a pretty coin ring, that's a great option. I can go ahead and show you what this is what the coin looks like before I start working on it. It's a pretty cool coin. I really like it. It's pretty neat. And they make really, really pretty rings, don't they? I think so. So if anybody wants to get one of those made, they are up on the website now. I also added a couple other things, some 1/4 ounce fine silver rounds, like this one. This is an Aztec design, like the Aztec calendar. I've got these in 1/2 ounce if you want one a little bigger, and this one is a 1/4 ounce. Very, very pretty rings. Got our shipping label here. We'll go ahead and pack these up. send them on their way. Again, what I really like to do here on TikTok is make coin rings live for the customer. So if that's something you would like to see, something you'd like to participate in, let me know. I'd be happy to find the coin ring just for you and get to work on it. There we go, we got that all nice and packaged up, made in Texas, ready to go out to the mailbox. Let's see what else we have today. Looks like we've got a size 12 1974 quarter. See if we can zoom in on this at all. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a nice little final polish, and then we'll package it up and send it out. Give y'all something to look at. This is the next order I have to package up afterwards. They got 2 rings. They got Alabama and a 1997. $276 likes on this live. I know this one's not very exciting, guys. I'm sorry, it's kind of boring. But if we do get an order in, we'll stop and work on it. So if that's something you're interested in, let me know. I like to personalize my ring boxes. So we've got a little custom stamp I had made here. Thank you very much. I think it's pretty cool. There we go. We got a nice little coin ring maker logo on there. We'll pop our ring in the box, get him a card and a sticker. And get that printed off. Nice. Georgia ring, I could do that. So I've got them in copper clad, which is like these. These are copper clad. I also have them in 90% silver. The copper ones are 20 and the 90% silver ones are 100. And I'll go ahead and give you a coupon code. You can use the coupon code WELCOME to save 10% off whichever one you'd like to get. My shop link is located on my TikTok profile. Just tap that logo right there. Or even the little gold link down here by the chat will bring up a little store. And you should be able to find what you're looking for. And I've got all 50 states available, so there's no worries there. I can do Georgia, Texas, New York, California, wherever you're from. I can make a coin ring for you. Sorry Sorry, there's not much going on here. I'll put up some pretty rings that you guys can check out. There we go. Those are pretty. Yeah. But it's part of the business to package stuff, so I figured I'd hop on here and chat with you guys while I go through this. Can't hurt anything, right? Again, if anyone has any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. If you've never seen me before, I'm Coin Ring Maker. I make coins into rings pretty much every day. I really enjoy it. Go ahead and pop those in the package. Sounds good, sounds good. One more order to go through here. So I'll make some boxes for it. Pretty cool. I got 2 rings, so we're going to do 2 boxes. First one we're going to box up is this Alabama quarter. Pop that in there. Boom. Make sure we got this other one nice and looking good, shined up before we send it out. $1,300 likes. Thank you guys for tapping the screen. I do appreciate it. So if we don't get an order, I'll still make something for you guys that decided to hang out and watch me pack this stuff up. We'll still make a ring for you so you can see something cool. Got those 2 ready to go. Get them 2 stickers. And business card. Nice. Come on, printer. Let's go. What's on today's agenda? Right now, I'm packing up orders. This is the last one I need to pack up, though. And then I'm gonna make something, but I'm not sure what to make. Kinda up in the air. Any suggestions? We did make a Canadian cent. Came out really nice yesterday. Very pretty. So basically, I've got a couple coins I need to make into rings just so I have like photos of them. And these are the quarter-ounce rounds I just got. I haven't worked on yet. Got the flag and the eagle one, and then we've got this intus Indian. And something else we can lean this one on. There we go. We got those two. And then I've also got this 1 ounce Operation Desert Storm 1 ounce round I need to work on. But this one's going to be for a customer, so I think I'm going to hold off on that. You think we should do the eagle one? Yeah, we could do that. A really great round. Yeah, we could definitely make one of these. Got any votes for the Indian? Anybody want to see the Indian instead? They're both cool. We'll go ahead and do the American one. But I am going to do a little TikTok trick because this live was pretty slow and I was just packing orders. So I'm going to hop off for maybe about 2 or 3 minutes and then come back on and make this ring. So if y'all want to catch that, join me then. Thanks for watching this live, and we'll catch you in a couple minutes, okay?